Alright guys, so if you're collecting wood for the purpose of resawing, the first thing you have to do is make sure you get the bark off as soon as possible. Otherwise, let me show you what happens. So these logs, I didn't cut them, but I was able to get them. And let me show you what's under the bark. You see that? So if you don't get the bark off, that's what you're gonna have all over your wood. And it gets to the point where it actually eats all the way through. I had a piece here. Maybe it's actually here. Yeah, right here. So it ate all the way through. Like that. So that'll ruin your wood. So there you go guys, a little tip.